How do you add a link to your LinkedIn profile? I've got you covered. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step on exactly how to add a link to your LinkedIn profile. We're going to customize this link and even add custom buttons to our profile so people can quickly and easily click links that we have on the top of our profile. If you're ready, click that like button and let's get straight to it. I am inside of my LinkedIn profile. If you are on the homepage, just click the top right-hand corner where it says Me. Go to View Profile. Once I'm inside of my profile, I'm going to click the pencil button that sits on the top right-hand corner. I'm then going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to view two specific sections I can customize. The first is my website. Here it says add a link that will appear at the top of your profile. This is an easy way for all LinkedIn users to add links to the top of their profiles. Let's see what this looks like right now. I've added my company website, and if I go to my profile, I can see that that link has been added directly under my headline and under my location. So that is one place where you can add a link, and this can be any link, a link to your website or portfolio or something else. We're going to go back to that section again, and here is another place where you can add a link, also known as a custom button. So this is for premium users. It says premium custom button, and you can essentially add a custom button at the top of your profile. It says for things like posts, search results, and more. So if I click edit custom button, I can change what the button is at the top of my profile. Note that this is only for premium users. If you don't have premium, you can use the tip that I shared before. So I could change my custom button to visit my store, book an appointment, visit my website, or something else. And once I add the URL, I can select if I want to display this link on posts, messages, and search results. I highly recommend that you keep this on. What's great about this feature is when you make a post on LinkedIn, directly under your headline, people are going to see that link or that custom button. So I'm going to click done. Now I can see this button has been added to the top of my profile, which is visit my website. That is the custom button that I selected. The last place that you can add a link to your LinkedIn profile right at the top is under contact info. Inside of my contact info, people can see your profile link, your website, email, and even your birthday. So I'm going to click the pencil button here. So I have the opportunity to add a link to the contact info section. You can scroll to the bottom and add your website URL. You can actually add multiple links if you'd like, and then click save. So anytime somebody clicks the contact info section of your LinkedIn profile, you will also have that link here. So those are the 3 places you can add links to your LinkedIn profile today. And there you have it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more quick and easy LinkedIn tutorials just like this one. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.